When we talk about American stock market, we have a lot of successful investors. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Benjamin Graham. They are the most successful investors. They have created huge wealth from the equity market and they have inspired a lot of new investors. Friends, there is a one more investor which will inspire us. It's none other than Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is one of the most successful investors in US market. He has inspired a lot of new investors. During the 1990, Peter Lynch was one of the most successful fund manager in US market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about top 5 learning from Peter Lynch. Friends, you can stay till the end because you will be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. The first one is invest in what you use and what you consume. Many people think that stock market investment is too complicated. Friends, stock market investment is not complicated as we think. That's the reason Peter Lynch, he gives some best advice. He says that invest in what you use and what you consume. In our day-to-day life, we use a lot of product, we consume a lot of things. He says that first we have to start investing into that product. I would like to use some example. In our day-to-day life, we use FMCG product. FMCG products are manufactured by India, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Nestle. We have to start investing into that product. In our day-to-day life, we use internet. Internet is provided by Reliance and Airtel. In our day-to-day life, we use bank. There are banking stocks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. When we want to paint our home, Asian Paint, Berger Paint. When we are constructing a home, cement is very essential raw material. Ultratech cement, ACC cement. Like that, whatever the product we are using our day-to-day life, whatever the things we are consuming in our day-to-day life, we have to start investing into that product. Next one is know your edge. What do you mean by edge? I would like to use some example. Let's say you are a doctor and you want to invest into the stock market. If you are a doctor, you will be having good knowledge about the pharma industry, how pharma industry works, what is the current situation of pharma industry, what is the future, what is going to happen in the future, what is the potential. So you will be having good knowledge about the overall pharma industry. If you invest into the pharma stocks, it will make a lot of sense for you. So if you invest into some other sector, some other industry, it doesn't make any sense for you. In the same way, let's say if you're an IT profession, you know each and everything about the IT industry, current situation, what is the problem they are facing, what is the future growth. If you invest into the IT stocks, it will make a lot of sense for you. If you invest into the some other sector, some other industry, it doesn't make any sense for you. That's the reason before investing into any stocks, you should know your edge. Next one is do your homework. Friends, creating a wealth in stock market, it is not easy as we think. Because buying a right stock, it's not a cakewalk. It's required a lot of knowledge, skill, time and effort. Before investing into any stocks, you should know what is the business model of the company, what is the growth potential in the industry, how company makes money, what is the competitive advantage they are having, who is the competitors, what is the risk they are having, what is the financial, what is the growth potential. These are all the point you need to check. Reading this all the report, it will take long time. That's the reason before investing into any stocks, you have to do a lot of homework. Then only you can create wealth in the equity market, or else you cannot create wealth in the equity market. Next one is invest in mutual fund. During the 1990 in US market, Peter Lynch was one of the most successful fund manager in mutual fund industry. He says that if you don't have enough time to research the right stock, then investing into the mutual fund is one of the best option. Friends, once you invest into the mutual fund, you will be getting a lot of benefit. The first one is professional management. Once you invest into the mutual fund, your mutual funds will be managed by the professional fund managers. They will be having a 10-15 years of experience in the industry. They will be having a team so that they can add value to our portfolio. Next one is diversification. Once you invest into the mutual fund, your money will be diversified into the across the industry, across the sector, across the large cap, mid cap and small cap, so that you will be getting a good diversification which will reduce your risk. Next one is rupee cost averaging. Once you invest into the mutual fund, once you invest via SIP mode, you no need to worry about the market volatility. During the correction time, you will get more units. During the bull run, you will get less unit. Automatically, your investment will get average so that you can create a huge wealth in the long term. Next one is invest for long term. Friends, it can be stock market or whatever may be. Nothing is going to change overnight. Everything will take a time. That's the reason you should invest for long term. If you look at the Warren Buffett, he has taken a long time to create wealth in the equity market. If you look at the Indian equity market, it can be Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ramdev Agrawala, Vijay Kedia. They have taken a long time to create wealth in the equity market. That's the reason you should invest for long term. Then only you can create wealth in the equity market. Friends, in this video, we discussed about top 5 learning from Peter Lynch. If you summarize the point, the first one is invest in what you use and what you consume. Next one is know your age. Third one is do your homework. Next one is invest into the mutual fund. Next one is invest for long term. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with the community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.